Today is Sunday, so and I cook today, guys. This is what I prepared today. So this is only what I got. So the good thing is they let me to decide what I cook. So we have that parsley and fresh spring onion, turmeric, and ginger, onion. I still have onion at the ref, tomatoes, and garlic. This is all zucchini with the beef, and this one is I put in the curry salmon on top like a design, and this is I make a salad, coconut cream and paste, curry paste. So yeah, so we are catering today, guys. Today is Sunday, so this is all I got. So this is how I clean the shrimp. Yeah, remove the black at the back. Check our curry salmon. Later I will arrange. So okay, done. Other menu, beef with zucchini, and this is the other one, and baked hipon shrimp. Yeah, so I cook two. The other one is here. Yeah, so this is gonna check down, guys. Yes.
Yan, ganyan.
Ang galing naman.
Thank you. Alright. Ang ganda. Ensalada.
Wow, grabe naman.
Artist din talaga si Julie. Multi-talent din, oo. Grabe, ah. Sonia, pula po tayo.